What is going on? The Woods in May, the one and only, the original Squatch content creator. Love to be here. This is a super crazy announcement for you all. The Bricc of the Dead. As you see here, just the legendary. This is so cool. We have the crazy art. We have the crazy ingredients. We have some crazy cool things for you all. I want to give a special shout out to the Scrub Club. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you all so freaking much. I hope you're having a great time. That is the one space that you can go to for exclusive news and content. So please join that up. But we have the Squatch bar, the Bricc of the Dead, the one and only. I just want to read off the ingredients real quick just to see how cool this bar of soap is. We have saponified oils, olive, sustainable palm, coconut, shea butter, natural fragrance. We have the purple bonaset, which is a flower. I'll go over the details of that, but that's going to add a little bit of sharpness just right away. We have ground vanilla vine, which is going to add a nice complexity to it. We got a black iron oxide, mica, clay on clay, and sea salt. I'll go over those ingredients in the video when I actually review it, but I am so beyond excited because I think this is going to be a really complex, a sweet, subtle, complex, and offer that spiciness. I know a lot of you all in the Squatch world love that spiciness, especially when it comes to the Mars bar, when you get that full sense, that spiciness that just kind of hits your skin. So I'm really curious to see how this bar is really going to kind of compete with all those things. And I think when you have the ingredients of the ground vanilla vine, the soothing purple vine pop bonaset, I think hopefully I'm saying that right. But it's going to be a fresh, spicy experience, which I'm really excited because we haven't had a bar like this. I think this is going to be a really unique bar, and then especially for the Halloween fall time, I think this is going to be excellent. And then if you look at the art, just look at the art. The art for this bar soap is amazing. It looks like this one suds up, and then it's considered medium grit, which I'm pumped for. I really like grit, but if it gets too scratchy, it's a little bit too much for me. So I'm really excited. I'm going to put a link down to the Discord right down below. You can decide to join that. You can also join the Twitch streams. Would love to have you part of this community. Be sure to subscribe and like if you like this content. Like I said, we are going to be reviewing this content. We are going to be reviewing this bar of soap. I am so pumped. This box looks freaking crazy. The artwork looks so cool. So shout outs to you all that are making the artwork. Just you are putting the work in. So I really appreciate you all. With that said, look good, feel good, do good. I will be sure to put this as soon as I get the Bricc of soap. Let's freaking go.